my name's Andrew Knight from Ensystex Australasia, just sharing our new product which has just been launched called EXTERRA EVER-READY Total Termite Protection System. So the Extera system, as you know, has been on the market since around about the year 2000 or 2002, to be precise, and has gone through a few changes, but this is a major change that we're going through at the moment, or have gone through, in introducing the EXTERRA EVER-READY system, which is going to be active on install. The system is always going to be on guard to defend your client's property 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year. The EXTERRA EVER-READY Total Termite Protection System, well, it utilizes what we've always had, and that is the most palatable termite bait on the market. Its exclusive termite interception zone protects your home, and that is by utilizing a focused termite attractant. Focused termite attractant, as you all know, is exclusive to Ensystex and exclusive to the Extera system. And as you'll all be aware, Extera is safe for you, it's safe for your pets, and it's safe for the environment. It's a product that you all know and all know very well over the past 20 years or so. And we know that Extera termite bait eliminates the total termite colony. Also down the bottom here, I just want to draw your attention to our, we've been supporting Australian Wildlife Conservancy now for, I can't remember how many years, but it's over the years we've donated over $500,000 towards securing vital habitat for Australia's threatened wildlife species. It's something that we do. We don't have to do it, but it's something that's important to us, and we've been doing it for quite some time. So the sale of any Extera products, a percentage of that goes towards a very worthwhile cause. This is what the new EVER-READY EZ stations, we're calling them, look like. They're very similar to what you already have in a traditional Extera station, except that they're quite a bit smaller. They use the, if you've got an Extera auger kit with the 100mm bit and the 76mm bit, the 76mm bit for the that you have with the augers is around about the right size for these to fit like a glove inside the hole. So they're quite a bit smaller, quite a bit easier to use, and you'll be pleased to know they come pre-formed as well. And this is what the REQUIEM EVER-READY Termite Bait Disk Sack looks like. I'll go into a little bit more detail on this, but we've decided to move in the same direction we've always wanted to go in, and that is being environmentally responsible for our packaging. So we have a safer, environmentally friendly way to eliminate termites with our bait, but also with our packaging. We could have wrapped the bait in plastic, but we've decided to use jute, or as you may know it, hessian, instead. And the reason we've gone this way is, one, it breaks down in the environment naturally, and secondly, it's edible to termites. So we have a very palatable bait, the most palatable bait on the Australian market, and we also have edible packaging, so minimizing the amount of plastic. And this is what it looks like. So basically, what we've got here is REQUIEM termite bait. It's exactly the same as the bait you're currently using, except it's been dried out completely, and then it's been inserted into these hessian, basically hessian coverings, sewn up nice and tight, so it slips in nice and tight to your Extera EZ stations. The label is important. This is what we have currently sitting in our office waiting to sell, and will be going on the market officially after I finish this launch. So when I finish talking, each pack comes with 20 pre-baited Extera EZ stations. So there's 20 stations in the box with the bait sacks already installed, ready for you to literally take them out of the box and put them straight into the ground. Now, as well as that, we also have replacement bait disc sacks available as well. They look exactly the same as I do in the picture there, and I showed you just before. Each of them contains 20 ever-ready bait disc sacks, and they are preformed to fit inside the EZ station, as you can see there. As well as that, we also have a different type, a larger ever-ready termite bait disc sack. They are quite a bit bigger, and they are designed to fit in the traditional or existing Extera stations. We're calling them the Extera station, but they're the larger stations that you're already currently using. These bait disc sacks will be available to be able to fit straight into those. So you can basically upgrade all of your Extera existing Extera programs to an ever-ready program if you so desire to do. But it's important to note that both systems will be available. The traditional Extera system is not going away. The new system, or ever-ready system, is just being added to the program or added to the product. Excuse me, to the product. So each one of those contains 10 of the termite bait disc sacks. So with the termite, with the baiting program and the focused termite interception zone, you have a product which is really unique to the market. It not only has the ever-ready stations ready to go, but it also works beautifully with the focused termite attractant, which you can add to the stations as you're already used to doing, which attracts termites to the ever-ready or existing Extera stations. So as well as the ever-ready, you've got access to things like the traditional Extera componentry products, like your in concrete, your above ground stations, etc., etc. As well as that, of course, we have an installation manual. If you need a copy of the installation manual, please speak to your local area manager, who will be more than happy to oblige. And of course, we also have our brochures, our sales brochures as well. If you need a sales brochure, either a physical one or an electronic one, again, speak to your local Ensystex area manager. You can jump on our website. Our website is going to be upgraded soon as well to reflect some of these changes, and that'll be happening in the near future. So that's really it. That's all there is to it. There's not really much more I can say about it. There is a training program that goes with this as well. So if you're new to Extera and you're currently not using Extera at all, you can jump straight in and use this product. Just contact your local area manager. It's just area manager. There is no license agreement necessary to use Extera Ever-Ready. So it's available to everybody, whether you're an Extera user or not. So for those of you who are interested in this, and I guess if you weren't, you wouldn't be here. Extera Ever-Ready is officially launching as of now. So there is the Extera Ever-Ready EZ stations pre-baited available in our office as we speak. So please contact your local area Ensystex area manager to get your orders in if you're interested in that. I want to thank you all for taking the time to join us this evening. We will keep you updated on when the rest of the stock is arriving, but at present we have quite a bit in Sydney. So yeah, looking forward to how this goes. And as usual, yeah, keep in touch. Okay, thank you all very much.